Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nkiru. I am super excited to share this spectacular recipe with you. Marry me chicken. You heard me right. If you're in the market and you want to get married, prepare this recipe for your partner. He will propose. If you're not in the market, whoever you serve this recipe to will love you more. That's why the name, Marry Me Chicken. Let's cook. Following are the ingredients. First, cut the chicken into smaller cutlets and season with salt and black pepper. Now go ahead and coat the chicken with flour, ensuring to shake off extra flour. I am using homemade oat flour. Now, if you don't know how to make oat flour at home, check out a video I uploaded about it. Heat up oil and melt the butter under medium heat. Go ahead and brown the chicken. Do not overcrowd your pan. Depending on the size of your cut, it will take about 5 to 8 minutes to brown each side of the chicken. Mine took 8 minutes. Rather than overcrowding your pan, brown the chicken in batches, which is exactly what I did, as you can see from the video. Add the garlic and saute until fragrant. This recipe calls for sun-dried tomatoes. I didn't have it, so I used sliced tomatoes. Go ahead and add paprika, coriander, and thyme. Thyme is optional. Add chicken broth. Stir constantly because you don't want it to get burnt. Go ahead and add milk. I substituted this for heavy cream. Add the Parmesan cheese. Reduce heat and allow the cheese to melt. Now add the pepper flakes and ground black pepper. Stir it to combine very well and check for seasoning and adjust as needed. Re-add the chicken in the sauce. Ensure you coat the chicken with the sauce to enable it absorb the sauce, which adds to the deliciousness. Go ahead and add salt and check for taste again. Your preference matters. Stir it again to combine very well. Cover it and simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and flip the chicken and cook for additional 5 minutes so that it will be fully cooked. Now the super delicious Marry Me chicken is ready. You can serve it with white cooked and cooled rice or pasta or mashed potato or whatever you choose. I served mine with cooked and cooled yellow rice. If you want me to show you how I cook this rice, let me know in the comment section, please. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share with your friends and family, please. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so and activate the notification bell so you will know when next I post another video. I appreciate your love and support. Until next video, this is Nkiru wishing you the best through life. Cheers and stay blessed. Bye-bye.